Palopo City, which is the center of education in Tanah Lu. State Islamic Institute of Palopo, the one and only campus that has a postgraduate program in English language education. Welcome to English Language Education Study Program Postgraduate State Islamic Institute of Palopo. Based on the decree of the Minister of Religion of the Republic of Indonesia number 1188 of 2021 concerning the implementation of the English Language Education Study Program for the Master's Program at the State Islamic Institute of Palopo. The establishment of an English Language Education Study Program at postgraduate level is an important step in the development of English language education and teaching in Indonesia. Postgraduate Directorate of the State Islamic Institute of Palopo, supported by teachers at doctoral and professor level who are qualified, competent, and have experience at international level. In the field of education and research, of course, as an academic, language and education researcher and developer who is able to develop English language education theories based on Islamic teachings and ethics, science, and expertise, and produce creative and innovative work that is multidisciplinary, tested, published, and recognized nationally and internationally. In community service, many lecturers or students are involved in making real contribution that can help the community or partners to develop so that good cooperation is built for the realization of the three pillars of higher education. English Language Education Postgraduate Program, the State Islamic Institute of Palopo always provides support, especially for the active achievement of students and lecturers, so that they have received a lot of positive appreciation, such as creating works or products that are useful for education and obtaining creation registration letters from the Ministry of Law and Human Rights, Republic of Indonesia. Active as a speaker at international conferences, motivating teachers, awards for achievements in community service activities, and TBI Expo activities with the theme of local wisdom are the implementation of the trend and issues course, so that the English Language Education Postgraduate Program of the State Islamic Institute of Palopo become a pioneer and host of reference in the annual selection of Tanah Lu Language Ambassador.
The English Language Education Study Program at the postgraduate level of Iain Palopo boasts a uniqueness characterized by local wisdom within its academic integration and excellence in terms of human resources, such as professional lecturers and professors. Furthermore, the English Language Education Study Program consistently products superior alumni, as demonstrated by their ability to complete their studies in less than 2 years and to compete in the job market as professional educators.
In order to support accountable lecture atmosphere, the English Language Education Postgraduate Program of the State Islamic Institute of Palopo has been equipped with facilities and infrastructure that really support the academic activities of lecturers and students, namely in the form of lecture rooms, postgraduate libraries, student support centers, postgraduate halls, language laboratories, computer labs, proposal and research resource seminar rooms, Mukasyaf exam rooms and promotion of masters, health clinics, micro teaching rooms, and more specific.
Inshallah, in 2028, the English Language Education Study Program at the postgraduate level at Iain Palopo become a center for professional English language learning studies, excelling in the integration of knowledge characterized by local wisdom, as well as having a global perspective.
English Language Education Postgraduate Program, the State Islamic Institute of Palopo, continues to be optimistic about improving the quality of study program to national and international standards by collaborating in the fields of education, research and community service, both in domestic and foreign institutions, so as to be able to produce the best alumni, beneficial for the region, nation, and state in the field of education.